everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my family's favorite Korean japchae. These are all the ingredients we need and I am going to list them all in the description box. Next, we are going to prepare the noodles according to package directions. Next, we're going to make the japchae sauce. We'll start with 4 tablespoons of kikkoman soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now we are going to fry the eggs, cut them into strips, and then we set aside. So we are going to blanch the spinach, squeeze the water out, and then we set aside. Stir fry the beef, season with salt and pepper, and then we set aside. Next, we stir fry the onions and then we set aside. Stir fry the shiitake mushrooms and then set aside. Lastly, the carrots, then set aside. Beautiful. Next, we are going to stir fry the noodles with the prepared japchae sauce. Add in the noodles with the rest of the ingredients, tossing gently to combine. Then garnish with green onions and sesame seeds before serving. Kain na tayo! Okay. Hope you like the video. If you have any comments or questions regarding the recipe, please comment down below on the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Jordan's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.